Hey, welcome to part 3 of the video. Mr. Worley here. I just want to check out this graphic here. This is what's happening. ATP, that molecule we just learned about, powers active transport. Active transport, remember, is moving stuff across the membrane against its potential gradient. Gradient potential means the way it should go. Remember, diffusion in passive transfer goes from concentrated to not so concentrated. See, they're in regular diffusion and facilitated diffusion here. But in active transport, it goes backwards. Not so many, going to where there's more. ATP, power of the cell. Okay, let's go back to our book, and let's keep reading. Energy from ATP powers other important events in the cell, including the synthesis of proteins and nucleic acids, and responses to chemical signals at the cell surface. The energy from ATP can even be used to produce light. In fact, the blink of a firefly on a summer night comes from the enzymes powered by ATP. Oh my goodness, God is so cool. Made it all. Okay, so ATP is such a useful source of energy that you might think the cell would be packed with ATP to get them through the day. But this is not the case. In fact, most cells only have a small amount of ATP, enough to last them just for a few seconds of activity. Why? Even though ATP is a great molecule for transferring energy, it's not a good molecule for storing large amounts of energy over long term. A single molecule of the sugar glucose stores more energy more than 90 times the chemical energy of a molecule of ATP. Therefore, it's more efficient for cells to keep only a small supply of ATP on hand. Cells can regenerate ATP from ADP as needed by using the energy stored in foods like glucose. As you will see, that's exactly what they do. All right, a couple of great quiz questions here I see coming up. One, wait a minute, why doesn't the does the cell have lots of ATP on hand? And if not, why? Another great quiz question would be, what organelle converts glucose to ATP? If you say chloroplast, you're wrong. Okay, moving right along. Oh, we come to the end of our section. Please remember, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are part of our lecture exercises. Let's go back real quick and review our objectives. Explain where plants get their energy they need to produce food. This is easy. From the sun. How do they do that? Describe the role of ATP, my computer's going real slow, of ATP in cellular activities. ATP acts as a carrier of energy, like a battery, in the form of 3 phosphate groups. Nice. All right, this is Mr. Worley signing off and saying, hey, God loves you, so do I. And make sure that you're ready for your quiz in the morning. Peace out.